Are you ready?
Give me a toy! Is it frozen?
Yes!
Hey guys, in the world who has...
Hello everyone! Alam naman natin katatapos lang ng third birthday ni Sarina. Ayan, nag-unboxing siya ng kanyang mga regalo.
What is it?
It's
Nakakatuwa si Sarina kasi bibong-bibo siya. At napaka-cute talaga nitong si Sarina. Tinatanong niya kung ano daw yung laman nun.
It's
What is it? It's a cashew. It's frozen nuts.
She is so cute and also deserving siyang makakuha ng mga regalo from sa kanyang mama at sa kanyang papa kasi napakabait niyang bata.
Frozen nuts. It's a clock. It's for the Christmas tree.
Sa kanyang murang edad, alam na niya kung ano yung mga bagay-bagay. Kasi napakatalino talaga nitong si Sarina. Napaka-cute pa.
It's a frozen box. What's inside? Oh, it's Elsa and Anna. Here it is.
Sobrang happy si Sarina at deserve niya lahat ng mga regalong hawak niya. Sabi niya, "What's this? Oh, it's Elsa."
It's a frozen box. What's inside? Oh, it's Elsa and Anna. Here it is.
Alam nating lahat na lahat ng karakter na Disney karakter ay kilalang kilala talaga nitong si Sarina. She's so clever.
One.
Tuwang-tuwa si Sarina. Binigyan niya ng super big hug si Mickey Mouse kasi si Mickey Mouse ang isa sa mga favorite niya.
One.
Super cute si Sarina, para talaga siyang matanda kung mag-isip. Kasi alam na po niya talaga yung tama at mali.
It can be. It's Duffy. Is it Duffy? The boss should give it chocolate. Guys, it's
Sarina, you are so blessed. Surrounded ka ng mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Si mama mo at si Papa Jong Hilario mo, napaka-bless mo.
Are you ready?
give me a toy. Is it frozen?
Yes!
Hey guys, in the world who has...
Happy third birthday, Sarina. You are so blessed. Your mama and Papa Jong are very proud of you. And of course, lahat ng netizen, we love you.
What is it?